are playing Rain and the Rainbow. And we are just learning left hand. Now Aiden is going to show us so how to play this. Fifth finger, that interval is the fifth. So from A till E. This is A. You need to play A. Can you start from lifting first? Well done. But we need to put your fifth finger closer to the black notes. Well done. As rain is falling slow. Now we are changing. Well, very good. Drip, drip, soft and low. Now we need to play A and F sharp. Aiden, you're doing great. Yes, clouds are dark and gray. Lift your hand, relax your muscles. And sun, very good. Sun has gone away. And the last one is rain. Your fifth finger there. Good. Okay, just to remind you, can I just play myself, right? So this is the left hand. You need to be closer to the black notes. Going wider, very wide. Going back. Wrist is always working. Make sure when you play E, A, F sharp, your hand is not like that. Okay. Your hand should be like this. Okay, are you ready to play Raindrops? Okay?
Yeah.
All right. But Raindrops we are playing with right hand. Only right hand. Only right hand. So I will be playing left hand. I will be playing left hand part with my right hand. Okay, Aiden, I need your right hand only. Where is your right hand? Okay. I didn't start. Okay, start again. Where is your rainbow as well? Rain is falling slow. Drip. No, right hand. Drip, drip. Soft and can you be more accurate? Clouds are dark and gray. Sun has gone away. When you play, try not to move your hand like this. Keep it, yeah, so I can see the roof of your hand, the roof of your house. And it's the last one is rain. Good. Wrist. Be accurate. Try to play both notes together. Aim nicely. Wrist. Wrist. First finger curved. Very nice house. And just one here. What's the interval? How would you call this interval? From C till E. What's the interval?
Third.
Third. Well done. That's the third. Okay, good.